Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your Netflix profile icon. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will see your current Netflix profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the Manage Profiles option from the bottom of your screen. Now, select the profile in which you want to change your profile icon. In the profile settings, you will see your current profile icon along with a small pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on this pencil icon to edit your profile. Finally, browse through the available profile icons, and when you find one you like, tap on it to select it. Your new profile icon will be applied immediately. And that's it. This is how you can change your Netflix profile icon. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.